To add PayPal to Apple Pay, you need to have a compatible device with the latest operating system and the PayPal app installed. First, open the PayPal app and log into your account. Then, go to the Settings or Profile section and look for the Apple Pay option. If you do not see this option, ensure your device supports Apple Pay and that you have the latest version of the PayPal app. Once you have located the Apple Pay option, select it and follow the prompts to add your PayPal account to Apple Pay. You may be asked to verify your account or agree to terms and conditions. After completing these steps, your PayPal account should be linked to Apple Pay. To use PayPal with Apple Pay, open the Wallet app on your device and select the PayPal card. You can then use Apple Pay as you normally would, with the added benefit of being able to pay using your PayPal balance. You can also use Apple Pay to make online purchases and in-app purchases with your PayPal account. It is essential to note that you may need to set up a backup funding source, such as a credit or debit card, in case your PayPal balance is insufficient to cover a transaction. This ensures that your transactions are processed smoothly and that you do not experience any declined payments. In terms of security, using PayPal with Apple Pay provides an additional layer of protection for your transactions. Apple Pay uses tokenization, which replaces your actual card number with a unique device account number. And PayPal has its own robust security measures in place to safeguard your account. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily add PayPal to Apple Pay and enjoy the convenience and security of using your PayPal account to make payments. This integration provides a seamless and efficient way to manage your finances and make transactions, and is a valuable addition to your digital wallet.